Hey, are you ready to learn how to dance salsa?
Are you? Welcome back, guys. We got another one. If you like this video, leave it a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe here for more salsa tutorials, and if you have any questions, leave us a comment down below. Enjoy, guys. My name is Herman Alvarez.
And I'm Juana.
And we're from Latin Dance Movement, guys. Let's go right into it. So we're gonna go basic step 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. By the way, on the cross body lead, did you notice how smooth that was? 1, 2, 3. You have to approach her on an angle. On 6, I am going to get close, turn my body slightly to the left, and I'm also grabbing her with my right hand to the middle of the lower back here. That's where my hand is going to be at. So, basic step 5, 6, 7. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One last thing. Then you notice her arm for the followers. What you guys are supposed to do, you're clearing up the space so that I'm able to grab her. Because otherwise, if she just stays with her arm down, I'm not going to be able to catch her. Okay, so lift up the arm on 6. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Cross body lead. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. I let her go. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to show my right hand on 1 up. We're going to connect together on 2, and I'm going to give her a left turn. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Okay, so let's do it again. 5, 6, 7. I show the hand on 1. She connects with me on 2. I use the fact that she's pushing against my hand. Now, she does that because I'm showing the hand, and as she thinks she's going to start to turn to the right, I hold tension there, so she creates that tension with my hand. Also, she's turning her body slightly to the right. So 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, I turn her 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's see that again from the top. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body lead. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, turn her. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to give her a walk through. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And again, one more time. 5, 6, 7. From the top. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. I catch her. 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. Let her go. 6, 7. Show the hand. Connect. Turn her. 5, 6, 7. I use that, the fact that she's spinning, I use that and start to open up myself on 7 so that I can prepare to give her the walkthrough immediately without taking an extra basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From there, to finish it off, I'm going to grab her and give her a right turn with my right hand. I'm going to ask the hand on 5, or I'm going to turn her and ask for the hand immediately after the walkthrough. And I'm going to turn her, give myself a loop. Okay, the loop happens because I'm holding the hand like a pizza tray. I put this hold that I'm watching you through over my head, let it go, and then from there I take my hand and go to the middle of the lower back like we did before and go into the crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's see it again. From the right turn. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now for you, for the followers, you have to be able to help him out when he's doing that loop. You have to remain light. The elbow stays down as she's doing this. And also, you're not helping him do this. He is the one leading You're not going for it. I'm right now the one leading, and I loop around my head. She's not doing anything. She's just following me, and then from there on, I go into the crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3. Also notice that I'm not grabbing her with my thumb, neither is she. So when I lift up the hand, I'm not really grabbing her hand and lifting. We're fingertips to fingertips, and then I go over me. Okay, all the way from the top, 5, 6, 7, basic step 2, 3, 5, crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, left turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, walk through. 1, 2, 3, catch that hand. 7, turn for 1, 2, 3, loop. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Last one, 5, 6, 7. Let's see it from this angle. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, crossbody lead. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Walk through 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to turn her 2, 3. Loop 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Awesome, guys. So that's the whole pattern. Now let's see it with music. Boom! Awesome job, guys, for making it all the way to the end of the video. Congratulations. I hope you enjoyed yourself.
So let me ask you guys a question. When you're out at a salsa party, do you have a hard time remembering your moves?
Because if you are, guys, chances are it's not that your memory's terrible. It's possibly that you have the wrong method. You're following the wrong method. How do I know? Because I used to teach my students at the beginning this complicated method, and then when they would go to the party, they would forget completely all the moves that they had learned. I know this happens to beginners, and I know it's not your fault. So then I changed my approach. I started teaching them with the 6-step formula. I discovered that 6-step formula a long time ago. I created it so that I could simplify salsa dancing for my students, and it works. We've seen tremendous progress with all our students, isn't it true?
It's pretty amazing, yeah.
Yeah, they're able to go out there with a couple of weeks of having taken lessons, and they're able to dance with anyone. It's gonna help you out. If you're interested in learning more about it, go to latindancemovement.com/crash course. This program we put together step-by-step tutorial, and it's gonna teach you the moves, the tools that you need to get out on the dance floor and be completely confident, okay? Leave this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends if you liked it. If you have any questions, post them down below and subscribe here for more free salsa tutorials. Until next time, guys.